Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If it's your first time here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. My name is Michael Shu, and today we are going to be doing an unboxing and a first impression of the one thing that every single pilot wants. Boom! Bose A20 headset. We're going to unbox this, see what the unboxing experience of the Bose headset is like, and I'm going to give you my first impressions of these headsets. I'm not sponsored, these are not given to me, so if I don't like them, I'm gonna tell you the truth. First off, let's see what the box is like. This is just a white plain box, and over here you get the Bose A20 headset. This is what it looks like. You got Bose here, A20 Aviation headset, as it says right there. You go over to this side. What does it say on this side? It just says Bose. On the back, has some other information about the headset. You see that? Let's see what it says back here. A20 Aviation headset, acclaimed noise reduction, comfortable and stable fit. We're gonna definitely be trying that out. Clear audio with active equalization, simple, intuitive operation, high performance microphone. These are all great features to have when you're flying an airplane, but we can't just trust what they say. Obviously, we're gonna do a test and a full review. On the bottom left corner here, kind of shows you all the things that it comes with. It comes with a headset, a case for the headset, and batteries. Let's go ahead and open this up now and see what's inside the box. Got the key of opener. Let's go ahead and open this guy up. All right, give you guys the first look as always. Whoa. What's inside? What's inside, guys? Oh, okay. When you first open the box, you get manuals. What is this? You got the Bose Aviation A20 headset manual. We will get that maybe later. More instructions on how to use this thing. This is just the Bose A20 Aviation headset, quick reference guide, has a different control. I guess this is what the control looks like. Once you get it, that can turn on and off the noise cancellation and different volume for left and right side. You also have the limited warranty. Warranty is very important because this is a very expensive headset. So if anything breaks, you want to make sure you get the warranty. And last but not least, it comes like this. Look at that packaged up. You see that? All right, let's go ahead. Ooh, very fancy. Pulling this guy out. First off, you can just see it's packaged nice and clean. You put it in this bag so nothing gets dirty to the brand new headset. It's nice that there's this strap area. It's nice to hold onto it. I guess you could clip onto your backpack. I've seen a lot of pilots do that as well. Back here, you've got elastic mesh over here, so you can put your checklist if you need to, hook pens on. Just a great pocket to have. In the front of this case, it just says Bose Aviation headset. Let's go ahead and open it. I want you guys to have the first look, so you pull it through, make sure nothing falls out. Oh, it's all the way down. Whoa. So there's two zippers and it kind of folds out like that. Wow. Alright, so it looks like it comes in different parts. Up here you got the controller set tucked away like that. Oh, it's connected. Of course it's connected. So let's go ahead and unwrap all of this. You got the mic piece right here, which is covered in bubble wrap. Inside here, the first things I noticed is you got this little hairy here. It's kind of made from like sheepskin, fox leather, fox fur. Let's go ahead and open this. And in here, there's so much more packaging. See, this is the controller. The controller is also wrapped in bubble wrap. So we'll go ahead and unwrap that. Wait, it doesn't come with batteries. Ha, it does come with batteries. These are AAA batteries. So if you do have Bose Aviation headset, make sure you get AAA batteries for the controller and that will activate the noise cancellation. However, if you ever run out of batteries, I believe you can still use these headsets just without the noise canceling feature. So this is it. Let's try to put it on. Oh, very nice and comfortable. Hello. Tower, reporting for duty. Alright, first thing I realized is that these right here in the mesh that covers your ears are very comfortable. It has a nice seal around, and up here there's the little furry hairy things. I'm not sure if you can see it. I'll get a close-up of it. But I think this is just to make it more comfortable as you wear it for long flights. Let's go ahead and put the batteries in and see what the noise cancellation is like. How do you do this? You open it, it looks like that. Comes with batteries, like I said, AAA batteries. Always want to make sure you have extra because you don't want to all of a sudden in the middle of a flight lose the noise cancellation, right? Ooh, they're Energizer batteries. Alright, batteries are in. Can you see that? How do you turn it on? I guess there's a button right here. Let's click that. Oh, it's lighting up. And all of a sudden, it's all quiet. I'll have to try this out on the airplane. And this gives you a clip because if your wire's too long, you just clip it up somewhere. This is a controller for the noise cancellation. You also can see there's toggles to left and right, so you can see the volume. You can turn it left and right, louder or more quieter. It just says mute, mix, or off. I'm not too sure what that means. I'll have to try it. This is also the Bluetooth version, so you're able to connect it to your iPad or the airplane via Bluetooth connection. And then right here are the two plugs for the airplane. Overall, I'm really liking this. I'm hoping that this is gonna be more comfortable than my previous headset. The previous headset I had would always be really tight, and if I had long flights for like 2 hours or more, it'd always like give me a headache. So I'm really eager to try these out, especially to see the noise cancellation, see how that works. But this is everything you get with the A20 Bose headset. You get the headset itself, comes with the controller, comes with an extra cord. I'm not sure what this is for, but we will figure that out. Comes with the case and batteries. This is a nice case just to put your headset over here on the inside of the case. You can put a name card in case you lose it. Like I said, I really like this mesh pocket in the back where you're able to hook pens on, or your checklist, or any little knick-knack things that you want to bring onto the plane. On the side here, you have pen holders, which is very convenient. But like I said, this is only my first impression of the Bose A20 headset. We will do a full review. If you want to see that full review, be sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button so you know when I post it. This Bose headset, I believe, with the Bluetooth is close to $1,200, so it's very expensive. So I'm gonna be doing extensive review on it to see if it's worth $1,200. If you guys like this unboxing, first impression of the Bose A20 Aviation headset, be sure to like my video. Please leave a comment if you have any questions down below. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, what are you doing? Go ahead and follow me at MichaelHSU95, and I'll love to answer whatever questions you have. Thank you so much for watching my unboxing and first impression of the Bose A20 Aviation headset. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!